Okay, update. You all know I'm a lover of old school. Anything attached to old school, or to prem. As you all know, on Secure TV, Alagbede is showing. Alagbede produced by my mama, Jaiye kuti. Obado, mo wo ba ara mi de Sekiri, ara mi bu maso mo ni Jaiye kuti mo lo si ri story ele to baddest. Omo, is it the costume? Is it the picture quality? Is it the actors? See Gabriel, my guy. Omo, man. Well, you guys need to watch it. What am I talking about? Blacksmith. Alagbede, Blacksmith. Get. Go and watch it. It's right there on www.secute.tv. Bad. Go. You don't want to miss it. You know we don't actually have all this kind of movies all the time. So when it comes like this, we need to hold it. Let's go watch it. Alagbede, Blacksmith. Jaiye kuti.